The 11th sum is prepare common size statement of financial position for the following particulars of Yasmin and Sakti Limited. So it is a vertical balance sheet again. The equity and liabilities are given first and the assets are given next. This sum is a common size balance sheet of Yasmin and Shakti Limited. As on the date is not given, so I have written XXX here. So for Yasmin Limited separately I have drawn and Shakti Limited separately I have drawn. So the format of the common size balance sheet is to be written. Next I will include all the items which is given in the question. My next step is I must write down the figures in the appropriate absolute amount column. Now I have entered the figures from the problem. So next step we are going to calculate the percentage of total assets. So my total assets is 5 lakh. Likewise liability also remains the same. So that becomes 100%. That is 5 lakh divided by 5 lakh is 100%. Now using this 5 lakh for Yasmin Limited as a denominator, I am going to calculate the other ones. So 2 lakh divided by 5 lakh into 100 is going to be 40%. 50,000 divided by 5 lakh into 100 is 10%. 1 lakh 50 divided by 5 lakh into 100 is 30%. 1 lakh divided by 5 lakh into 100 is 20%. Likewise, I am going to do for assets also. So 2 lakh by 5 lakh into 100 is 40. 50,000 by 5 lakh into 100 is 10%. Again the same 2 lakh, so it's the same 40 and the same 10% for 50,000. Right? So this is for Yasmin Limited. Next we have to move on to Shakti Limited. Now your denominator will change into 6 lakhs. So I write 100% for 6 lakhs in both the columns. Right? So 3 lakhs divided by 6 lakh into 100 is 50%. 60,000 divided by 6 lakh into 100 is 10%. 1 lakh 80 divided by 6 lakh is 30%. 60,000 again is 10%. Now this is the same 3 lakhs here. So you can just take it and copy it here. That is 50%. 1 lakh 20 divided by 6 lakh into 100 is 20%. 90,000 divided by 6 lakh is 15%. The same 15% here too. So that was really quick and a very easy sum. It has come once in one of your exams. So please be cautious and learn this sum.